What's up, everybody? It's Danielle here. If you're new to me, I'm one of the co-founders here at the Happy Hormone Club. I just wanted to share a little bit about what's been going on this week because for months and months we have been working really hard behind the scenes at this new, and when I say new, it's not really new, but it's like new in the most up-leveled way possible program we've just opened the doors to this week, and it starts on June 17th, and it's the Happy Hormone Method. And Happy Hormone Method is really designed for women in the perimenopause years. The doors opened, and I just wanted to take a minute today to share like a little bit behind the scenes of what the program's going to look like and like why we created it. So, the program's 4 months long, and we created it for, like I mentioned, the perimenopausal phase of women. So women experience these naturally transitioning hormones, right? But it's also a time of life where we're giving so much of ourselves all the time. Like, we're moms, we have careers, a lot of us. We are taking care of our aging parents more and more. And for a lot of years, we've knocked ourselves to the bottom of the priority list. And it's taken a toll on a lot of women's well-being and health. And in a lot of cases, it's like we don't even know what the things are that really light us up and what our hobbies and the things that bring us joy are anymore. And it creates this situation where when our hormones start naturally fluctuating, it can make things feel harder. We can't get away with some of the stuff we could get away with before. What we were doing before wasn't working to keep us more even-keeled or more confident. And then it can be like just a disempowering time. So that being said, we created a program which really is the creme de la creme. We're like a smorgasbord of amazing stuff from amazing practitioners who really shine bright in their field, from personal trainers, hormone experts, and we're talking like bioidentical hormone replacement therapy experts, and just like experts in functional health, OBGYNs, nutritionists, energy workers, Reiki workers, accountability and integration coaches. Like, we've really come at it from all angles to bring you just a delicious buffet of things that you can use to up-level your lifestyle, get clarity, get a strategy, and integrate it in just like a loving container. So the program's 4 months long, starting in the middle of June. So June 17th is when it's officially starting. One of the things that we have is like weekly group calls. So on the group calls, what I love about this is like you're going to get what you need. Like, whatever it is, whatever's coming up for you, whatever blocks, whatever questions, whatever kind of support you need, you're going to get it. And we have an amazing collaboration of coaches that we can tap into, from doctors, medical experts, functional medicine, nutrition, mindset, limiting beliefs, like energetics. We really tackle it all from all angles. So on these calls, it's an opportunity to ask questions and get access to the type of support that you need without any limits or barriers to that. So those happen every single week for 4 months. And then we have options for advanced hormone testing and advanced and elite hormone replacement therapy if you want it. But it's a great opportunity to get clarity as to the big picture of what's going on with your hormones, because your hormones are often driving a lot of the symptoms that you're experiencing right now, from the physical to the emotional to the sleep stuff. So understanding like where your hormones are holding you back from feeling amazing, and like where, like, playing small in life so that we can optimize things so that you can feel better, and then integrating the lifestyle on top of that is so powerful. And I think this is really going to take the results that people, I know this is really going to help people really elevate their results within this program, because not only are we harnessing the lifestyle like in such a cool way, which I'm about to talk about, but we're also really coming at the hormone thing from such a root amazing level. And it doesn't have to be hormone replacement therapy, though that is an option for you once you do the testing and you get assessed with a practitioner. But it could be just like the supplements and herbs and the lifestyle stuff that you then integrate to support where you're at hormonally at that time. So that's really huge, as you can imagine. So yeah, we've got the weekly group calls, we've got the advanced hormone support for those who want it, and a comprehensive proven system. And this is what's really cool. So you get lifetime access to this dashboard. The dashboard has a proven system that will really walk you through things and give you all of our very best tools. And I keep saying creme de la creme, but that's what it is, because this has been over 10 years in the making, and like different practitioners with their expertise bringing like the most powerful, potent stuff into the program that you can then have access to forevermore. But throughout your time in the program, we're going to help you integrate it and apply it to your life. And what's cool about this is that we're big, like, power to the programs that really make you overhaul everything at once and get you big results that like lasted within the program. But then when you step out of the container, you find it all just like too hard to maintain because it was such a big change from what your norm was. Like it was just too hard to like fully integrate into your life. Our approach is more create something that you can lean into long term. And so in this regard, we're really looking to build up a lifestyle that is sustainable. So we're going to work through things together. We're going to meet you where you're at. We're going to guide you on the best and most important place to start, giving your energy, giving your situation, so you can navigate the material as need be and make the big changes in your life, but in a way that doesn't feel overwhelming. And you're going to be so supported through it all as you integrate it that it's going to feel manageable, and then you can build on it. And the whole idea of this is that you change your lifestyle over the course of 4 months with us and with our support. And then you keep building, and then you carry that forth with you outside the program, onwards and upwards, because they've become new actual habits. When you've created new habits and they feel easy and light and sustainable, then you can build on them. And that's such a beautiful thing, because then it just keeps getting better and better. And the results, you're not just getting like massive results over the course of the next 4 months. It's like you create a foundation that you can then lean into and keeps getting you results and supports healthy, proactive, vibrant aging down the road. Within a couple months, we've seen our clients like going from not sleeping to sleeping, like having good night sleeps. That alone can change your whole life. And so it's like when you know the right thing to focus on and then you apply like potent lifestyle stuff and support in that realm, it makes things so much easier. Because if you're not sleeping, it's just like one more thing to worry about on top of other hormonal stuff that makes you want to like just change everything. But what if you didn't have to change everything and you could just focus on a couple key things and strip away all the complexity? I'm really excited, and thanks for those who are listening. It's just a big week for us. I'm feeling emotional all the ways. Maybe it's the pregnancy hormones, but just getting this program out into the world, because I know how transformational it is for women. And also I'm feeling it more than ever now. Just women in my circle, my own world, especially as a mom and with a new one on the way. Women are such badasses. We give so much. We give so much at the sake of ourselves, to our families, to our work, to everyone else. And I think it's an epidemic. And I see it in the older generation too. It's hard to reclaim the time for yourself. And I feel like even women really notice this. Men too, to some degree. But like when your kids are older and they go off to school and all of a sudden you have more time for yourself. But they call it like empty nest. Like the empty nest syndrome, because it's like such a change in your lifestyle when you've given so much and then all of a sudden you have all this time to focus on you. What do you do with it? But wherever you are in the state of life that you're at, what if, and like how much better off would so many of us be in terms of our mental health, our physical health, and just like how we age, if we just like actually held ourselves to the standard of what we actually wanted to do for ourselves? Because we often make negotiations and excuses, and it's like not going out for that walk, or not making it to that Pilates or yoga class because the kids need you, or you need to do this for the family. So we make these little sacrifices, but we make them day after day, and they add up, and then it affects our hormones, it affects our sleeps, and it affects the way that we transition into menopause, and it can make it so much harder. How much happier would we be like day to day if we could just find those moments for us and we were like held and supported by our lifestyle more? And if you need help getting clarity and need help getting a strategy as like how to best do that for you and like with your energy and capacity and lifestyle at the moment, that's like what we love supporting women with. So I talked about the weekly group calls. I talked about the HRT and the options for exploring and doing more advanced hormone testing and working with like elite practitioners in this realm. So I promise you we're bringing you like the best of the best. And then you have the proven system, which I talked about high level, but it addresses everything from like diet. So we're going to show you exactly like how to eat to nourish and support your hormones with like meal plans, recipes, trainings. But it's not just diet, it's mindset stuff too. So from limiting beliefs to like energetic work, in anxiety releasing practices, sleep, exercise. We've even brought in a personal trainer to give you guys amazing exercises and a workout plan. And it's specifically made for overwhelmed, busy perimenopausal women. And so all of this kind of comes together, as I keep saying the word potent, but like a potent buffet of whatever you need to integrate into your life to feel truly awesome. And then the next one is community and connection, and it's one of my favorite parts. And again, maybe it's a pregnancy hormones, but it gets me emotional to think about the lifelong friendships people have made, just connecting weekly. Somatic exercises, yeah, we have a whole section on somatics, energetics, like we've got like the science-based stuff, and then we've even got aura cleansing and like stuff to protect your energy. Like we've really given you the best of what works, like what we've found really effective for people. And the community and connection built within the program, like when we're all like-minded women coming together to empower not only themselves but also one another, it's just, there's something so special about it. And so I feel like after working in this industry for so many years, and I know Angela and like the other practitioners as well, it's like we've got to see what works in these programs, what doesn't, and like what actually drives long-term sustainable results. And that's what really this program is all about. So the doors are open. If you want to learn more about it, I encourage you to go to the link in our bio, the Happy Hormone Method, and feel free, you can just DM us too if you want to chat more about it. And thank you so much for letting me share what we've been working on. And it's just really fun and special to us that this is finally getting out in the world, and the women who have joined already are amazing. So I already know that this first like official cohort where we're doing it in a group like this is going to be just like so fun and special. Thank you again for listening to me share about the Happy Hormone Method. We've opened up our schedule to calls. So if anybody is wanting to see, am I a good fit for this program, to chat with us directly, to meet with our team, to just learn more about all the details, feel free to pencil yourself in. We'd love, love, love to talk to you. The link's in our bio. Sending lots of love, and I'll talk to you soon.